challenge, you will have 6 straws, 1 jumbo straw, crayons, pencil, yarn, scissors, paper, and your directions.
On the cardstock, using your pencil, trace your hand and your wrist. You might need some help from somebody for this. Once your hand and wrist are traced, go ahead and cut out your robotic hand. All right, put your hand back on your paper hand and notice as you slightly bend your fingers that you have some joints on your hand. These joints are where your fingers and your thumb could bend. Each finger has 3 little joints and your thumb has 2. Go ahead and mark those joints on each finger and your thumb. And you might need to make the marks a little bigger or just notice where they are on your paper fingers. Now that you've made all of those marks at your joints, carefully bend at each one of those lines just a little bit on each finger and your thumb. Using your scissors, you're going to cut your straw so that your joints fit. Your top joint is about 1/4 of an inch, your middle joint is about 1/2 inch, and your third joint on each finger is about 1 inch long. So notice that you're going to cut those 3 on each finger, and then you'll tape them down on the sections that they fit. Go ahead and repeat those steps for each of your fingers and your thumb. Remember, your thumb is going to have 2 sections. Take more of your straws and cut to your wrist for your thumb and each one of your fingers.
Make sure not to use the bendy straw part of your straw.
Tape those pieces from your fingers to your wrist. Once those all have been taped, now you're going to take your jumbo straw to make your wrist. Once it's taped down, you can cut off the excess. You now have your hand and all your joints taped down. Now you're going to grab your yarn and you're going to string your yarn through all the straws on each finger. Start at the top and work your way down all the way through your wrist. You might have to wind and wet the tip of that yarn to get it through your straws. Be patient. It might even work sometimes when you put a little piece of tape on the bottom of your yarn because it helps it to go through all those straws. Good work, Ms. Garcia. Pull the strings on your fingers to see if it mimics the movement of your natural fingers.